Hello students, good morning you all. I hope you all happy as a lark. This class is the continuation of the previous class. Let's quickly recall the important points. Here the Sachin had two sessions, right? Morning and evening sessions. Then where is his house situated? His house situated in Bandra, right? To reach Shivaji's park, he takes 40 minutes, right? Then he changed his school, Shardashram, right? Shardashram school he changed. In the school only, his coach is giving training for cricket, right? So his father suggested whatever you do, advised him, right? Whatever you do your level best. Don't worry about the result. That is what his father's advice. Clear? Shall we continue? The next, in my first year at Shardashram, he changed his school. Okay, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. Yes, see here, summer vacation, 60 days. In that he played how many matches? 55 matches. My summer session used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. Yes, his summer class, that time his session start morning 7:30 to still evening, okay, 4:30. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30 minutes break. So morning session is so lengthy, right? 7:30 to 4:30. Then evening 5 o'clock. Just he gets half an hour break, right? So 5 p.m. after only 30 minutes break. During the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. Yes, his coach, Agrikar, used to give money for him to have fast food. Okay, that is vada pav. Vada pav, this is Mumbai's his favorite fast food, vada pav. Okay, then have you got this paragraph? Then shall we move on next? Between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Then evening session 5 to 7 o'clock. Okay, I would have 5 more net session. So 5 more practice net session he had. Towards the last 15 minutes, sir would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps. See here, before the 15 minutes, this Agrikar, this coach, he placed a coin on the stump. Okay, he had given a challenge for the students. Okay, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. See here, what was the challenge? He should not get out. He should manage there for 15 minutes. That is what the challenge. Okay, if he managed, then the coin goes to him, Sachin. Okay, so in this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me. So all the students take part in this with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. See, you can just imagine how would be that situation, right? With some 60 to 70 boys fielding. So it meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. That crucial time, right? That 15 minutes he used to manage. Somehow he managed it and he hit the ball on the ground and somehow he managed. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction. Immense means great, okay, enormous satisfaction, and it taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. Physically drained meaning he got tired, right? Morning till evening he was practicing, right? So even in that time also he should be very conscious, should concentrate on his game, right? So that is what he learned from that. At the end of it all, Sir would tell me to run two full circuits of Shivaji Park. Ask him to run with my pads and gloves on, all his dress. Okay, pad, all the gloves, all the with all his dress. He has to what is take a round. Okay, run. Clear this. Then that was the last part of my training. That's how the session ends. Okay, he gets coin, then it ends by running the park, and I would be completely exhausted. What's the meaning of exhausted? Very tired. By the end of it all, it was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays. So all his summer holidays he practices this way. Okay, morning till evening, no other enjoyments, only practice. And it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. So it improved his health, right? Stamina. He could manage in every situation. Okay. Then occasionally, rarely, okay, my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me to special cocktail fruit juice at a juice center near the club. Rarely his father come and pick him, okay. So that time he asked fruit juice. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable, because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sister. So that day he offered whatever he liked to have offer, but that day he didn't aware of not that much responsible. Okay, what he likes to have, he likes. Then my father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted. Usually, whatever he asked, his father get just to see me happy. On other days, when I made my way home, sometimes he go home alone. Okay, travel alone from Shivaji Park on my own. I would often fall asleep on the bus. See, he was so tired, right? So in the bus itself, he sleeps. Okay, then if I manage to sit down, he tried to manage, though he fall asleep. That much tired, right? Anyone who has been on a Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. Getting a seat is very difficult, that much crowd there. Okay, on days when I wasn't so lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with the kid bag. With kid bag standing there in that crowd and all, very difficult, because the bus conductors would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. Yes, his bag is very huge, right? So conductors and all scolded him, right? It could be embarrassing, very shy, okay, insulting, because the conductors were often rude, very cruel, okay, rude, and would sometimes ask me to buy two tickets, okay, to get it to tickets. I didn't have the money for a second ticket, and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. That also, what was it? He take it, what is some boost up, like that only he felt, has to achieve, like that he feels, and he moves on. Do you get it? Everything his steps, he just take it easy, steps or stage in progress towards an aim, like that he feel, and he goes. Then dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. He morning till evening practice, so his dress also become so dirt, right? That is another thing. Then with the time I evolved a way of wrapping the kit bag around it. His kit bag is huge, right? He enlarge it and he make it around, just cover his body, right? Just as the helmet and pads. See, helmet and pads, everything in the bag. So the bag also become very big, okay, part of me while batting. So the kit bag become an extension, enlarged, big in size of me on the bus. I would often take me bus or train from Bandra to Church Gate. So there also he takes train or bus, and it was all a great learning experience. So his travel also was a nice experience for him. Okay, clear this much? Question answers also given. Please, you have to learn. Okay. Then, even though I loved cricket, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home was such a fun. Yes, of course, practice is another thing. Playing with our friends is quite interesting, right? That I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to the net. But practicing in the net become his habit, right? So he misses all these things. If I didn't turn up, suppose if he wasn't on time in that net, turn up meaning arrive. Okay, it is a phrasal verb. Agrigas sir would jump onto his scooter and came to find me. Yes, immediately his coach come here to take him, drag him. Okay. Then sir would find him. Okay. In the melee and virtually drag me out. The melee in that crowd. He would be with his peer good friends, right? In that crowd, he take him, drag him out. Okay. I would come up with excuses, but he would have none of it. Yes, sometimes he say this, that, some excuses he says, but he never accept any excuses. He would get me to change. Immediately coach asked him, change your dress and head off to Shivaji Park. Head off in the sense, get into the practice. That is what. He wasn't ready to hear his excuses. Clear? That is what given in this paragraph. Then on the drive, he would tell me, don't waste your time playing insane games with these kids. Yes, often he advised him, please, you should not waste your time. Okay, cricket is waiting for you at the net. Practice hard and see what magic can transpire. So this coach was at the back of him. He often insisted, you have to practice, not waste your time. Cricket is waiting for you. Definitely you will achieve, you will become something. Like that motivated this Sachin. Okay. Then we need to have proper career orientation. Career orientation, turning point, one's interest, okay, particular direction. They give some advices. That is what career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. So you asked him to attend some career orientation. Through that he gets clear idea what to do in the future. Okay, that facility also has done for him. Okay, then your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do, and you will be successful. Definitely what you like to do, you do it. You choose it and go on that way, then definitely success is waiting for you. Like that this coach advised him. Clear? Then at that time I hated being dragged up. Yeah, sometimes he feel very tired and hated. Okay. But as I look back, but when he realizes, I feel sheepish. Sheepish meaning foolishness. He just realized his foolishness. Okay. About my actions and can only admire Agrigas's foresightedness. He wasn't thinking his future that much, but the sir, he predicted. If you go on this track, if you practice regularly, if you hard work, definitely you will become famous, right? One day you will achieve. Like that he insisted him. So he was so grateful for that. Okay. Then sir also punished me on one occasion. Yeah, one time, this coach also punished him when trying to teach me a very important lesson. Yeah, once I bunked my daily evening practice to watch an inter-school cricket match. Yes, one day, bunked meaning skip. He skipped her session, one session, and he went to watch what is cricket match, inter-school cricket match, not anticipating that sir would be there. He didn't expect, okay, anticipating meaning expect sir would be there, but the sir was there and dragged him, okay. He was angry and he said it wasn't for me to come and watch other people play for. If I practiced hard enough, one day people from across the world would come and watch me play. Yeah, the sir, he immediately caught him and dragged him out, and he advised, okay, insisted, this is not the place to watch. Definitely people come and watch if you practice it wholeheartedly. Like that, advised him. Okay, then had it not been for Sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. See here, only because of this teacher, that agriculture coach was always after him. Whenever he get lazy or something, at the back of him, motivated him, dragged him, punished him. So because of those things only, he became this level, right? So he feels very grateful for that. This Sachin, okay, he was a strict disciplinarian. Here he refers to the coach, okay. Coach was very strict disciplinarian, so punctual. It was very strict and did everything he could for me. Yes, whatever can do as a father, he did everything for this. Sachin cared him a lot, okay. For that he feels very grateful. I owe myself to him. Oh, meaning grateful. Okay, he feels very wholeheartedly grateful for this coach. Clear? I hope you understand this lesson. It's quite easy. Then see here, Sachin won many awards. Okay, Arjuna Award in 1994. Then Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 1997. Then Padma Shri 1999. Padma Vibhushan 2008, then Bharat Ratna 2013. So like many awards he won. Then another thing, this coach Agrika passed away on 2nd January 2019 at the age of 87 at his Shivaji Park residence. Yeah, there only his house. There he passed away. Then tearful Sachin was at the funeral and paid his tribute by carrying his coach's mortal remains to the cremation ground. So you can see that in the picture. So when he was passed away, 2nd January 2019. Okay. So this is what the lesson. Please, you should read this lesson 2-3 times. That is very, very important. Reading habit you should build up. Okay. Then learn all these meanings. Then some question answers. Book inside and book back question answers are given. Please study with the spelling. Spelling is very important. Should not commit spelling mistakes. Okay. Then book back exercises, everything. Please do it by yourself. Okay. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.